everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this spiral Christmas tree from the Twinkl website. This is a really simple and festive paper craft and a great way for young learners to practice their cutting skills. There's also a variety of similar templates available on the Twinkl website, such as a Santa, an angel, and a snowman. The process of making a spiral craft like this is the same, so let's have a go together and see how it's done. Start by printing off your preferred version from the Twinkl website. You can use one that's already coloured and ready, or if you choose a blank or a black and white version, you can decorate it yourself. Once you're done decorating, cut out the shapes, and then cut along the solid line of the spiral. Now grab some thread and tape it to the centre of the spiral. Decorate the tree with either a star or an angel topper and you're done. Hang it somewhere where people can see it, like on your Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed that explanation and making some spirally crafts this Christmas. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Twinkl Australia on YouTube, and follow us on all of our social media handles on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. That's the best way to make sure that you don't miss out on anything twinkling. Thank you so much for watching and happy holidays!